Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to 10 Color Productions' Instagram and YouTube and wherever else you're seeing this. This is the first episode, and we're doing it with the fabulous, the gorgeous, the talented Dipanita Sharma. So, welcome to our little show. Of course, I mean,
Hello.
you have to assume that the
How
audience is
nice
tapping
you
right now.
guys.
We'll be asking her some fun questions. It's not an interview, it's just a fun conversation that three friends are probably having. We worked with Dipanita and I worked with her when I was an assistant director. Farzan's worked with her as a producer. We've handled a photo shoot for her in the past, which is about roughly a year ago now.
Yeah.
And
How has the lockdown been so far for you? What have you been up to?
Right.
Not been up to, which is a bigger question.
The crazy thing about this is that sometimes your sense of reality sort of goes for a toss, a little
Yeah.
bit. And suddenly it's like you're not enjoying sleeping long hours anymore. So also trying to use my time constructively. Like, I think I'm also reading this book called Anon, which is authored by Bhavani Iyer. Apart from that, decluttering and thinking of what to do next is also
Yeah.
something that
but apart from reading like books and short stories and everything, I'm sure you must be like getting back to your scripts also now that we know that you've entered into production. What's happening on the script front as a producer and as an actor?
Yeah, so we shot our first film. Now basically it's in the editing stage and everything is shut right now. So we are just figuring strategies how to go about it once the lockdown is done,
No
Right.
doubt this pause will definitely be positive. That's what we need to keep thinking about. Think positive thoughts and maybe, maybe come up with a better editing technique and figure out how to make the film even better. And this pause might just, so let's hope that happens for
Let's
everyone.
hope,
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
But tell me,
Yeah.
this role reversal that you've done as from an actor to a producer and dabbling the two roles that you have, very important ones. As an actor, to deal with such a big hiccup in the film, how different is it to face it as a producer?
As a producer, I think in this film I saw also the producer's side, the producers who are actually producing this film. That is a big one at hand, because, for your film to be, a film that is being shot on floors and suddenly you're suspending. Everything is all suspended in the air. As people who are in a certain position, who are hiring people, especially the daily wage workers, who are dependent on them, they must set up a fund, especially for the daily wage workers, especially for, I think, people who are so dependent on you. You must be sensitive towards that as a producer and as someone who's in a position of power to do that.
Definitely. That's so sweet and that's very responsible. And we all as producers must learn from this as well and going forward. And hopefully we never have to account some situation like this. And now coming to the other side, the personal side, how have you reconnected with your family at this time? How are things going on that front?
Like, do they even think you're family to them?
What?
And
So this is what has happened, okay, in this whole chaos. We are all in different cities suddenly, family. I'm here with my husband in Delhi. I think we are surviving on video chats right now as family, everyone. I'm telling you, the chats with friends and stuff like that. And I think these apps are great. Right now we are on this app. There's another one where you can play trivia.
Yeah. Do you
that's
enjoy
nice.
playing games on these apps? These games are really fun, some of them, the social ones.
Yeah, great fun. They're great fun and they have so many different decks.
Yeah.
There's entertainment. Yeah, I know also. There's entertainment, there's general knowledge, there's true crime, which I love. I love true crime, by the way.
But tell us, this last 10 days, 7 to 10 days, a complete shift in the work cycle, complete shift in lifestyle. What does the day start like and what does it end like?
Well, I do wake up late, which is normally me when I am not working.
Late meaning, say 9 o'clock, 9:30 is late.
Shall I actually tell you that? No, I don't.
Yeah, we need it. Why do you think I plugged this question in?
Yeah, noon would be early for me.
What?
I'm completely honest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Clap, clap, clap.
I love my sleep. This is how much I love my sleep.
If we have to ask a question, I think the answer is very obvious. Have you lost weight or gained weight in this quarantine?
I've lost my mind for sure.
Okay, a rapid fire, or we'll think of another name for this round. With Deepanata Sharma, here we go.
And first question, what is your most favorite hobby? What do you love doing in your free time?
Singing out loud.
How sweet.
Very loudly.
Basically to scare everyone around you.
I read a
Right.
report that the Delhi police had tried to catch a woman singing unnecessarily loudly and people had complained. Was that you by any chance?
That actually happened? Oh my god. Please don't.
Okay, next one. You've been a supermodel, you've been an actress, you still are, you're still a model, you're still ramp walking, producer now, soon probably you'll start directing, take away our jobs, thank you. But tell me, all through these years, 10, 20 years of working, what has been the most hilarious memory of your career?
That's a little tough because too many hilarious moments have happened.
What is the first one that you can think of when I ask you this?
But I think I remember once I was walking on the ramp, actively modeling at that time, and it was like my entry and everything people waiting for. And my shoe
Right.
comes off mid-ramp. My shoe just came off.
Okay, next question.
Yeah.
Deepanata, you've been a model and an actor for so many years. Who has been your all-time favorite model or actor?
There are a few when it comes to male models. At a particular time, there were so many, I can't tell you, and they were all wonderful. But I think he's the friend and he's very, very dear, and I would take his name. That's Milind Soman, and I think he'll be my all-time favorite in terms of modeling. But amongst females, I think Meher Jaisya and Madhu Sapre. I don't know if you can get better than that, at least for me.
Tell us one lesser known fact about Northeast India that the rest of the world should know.
I'm actually so glad you guys asked me this question because, as we know, I think in the middle of this whole crisis, there have been racist attacks on several Northeasterners. I have been vocal about it. Well, you feel strongly about something. And I am from, like you said, I am from Assam, and you always feel like there's so much that our own country don't know about one part of their country, and they have preconceived notions. I think one of them is probably that people from the Northeast eat anything that crawls or walks, which I think is a myth, and it is such a big myth.
Quickly tell us, you've mentioned so many good things about Northeast. Which is your one favorite, like most favorite thing of Northeast?
One thing about the Northeast is very tough, I think. It's beauty, yeah. It's beautiful. It's just first love.
Agree.
Thank you so much, Deepanata Sharma, for being a part of our lovely interview. We had a really, really wonderful time. Thank you so much for imparting your lovely views, your comments, especially on the Northeasterners and on acting and on producing, and of course, having a really fun time with us. Before you go, what's the one thing you'd like to tell our viewers about what's going on right now, or anything you'd like to share with our viewers?
First of all, thank you guys. Everyone, I'd like to say, please stay safe and stay home. Just stay home. All we need to do right now to be Corona warriors is to stay home, actually. And we'll be great service to our country and the world by staying home. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. That's the message that Deepanata Sharma is leaving us with. And to all of you watching, stay tuned for our next episode, and we'll see you very soon. Thank you, guys.
See you.
Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.